You went like this.
Well, yeah.
Here, in the air.
How getting off your horse teeth?
So how can you miss? How could you miss?
That
Hi, Blake.
that is so dangerous.
I go in your throat. I was like, thank you, next one.
Oh.
You please. Stuck in the hair.
Oh, I thought that was popcorn on top of your head.
It was. There was something inside the floor. No, you that thing away.
Okay.
Anyway.
Here, catch this.
I already did that, genius.
I'm sorry, I was actually paying attention to the game.
Eating.
Yeah.
Really good.
Hey, your turn. It's your turn.
Look at this old guy. He's so mean.
Denied.
He's so mean. Okay.